Well, for those who didn't know, I wasn't making vlogs for maybe 2 weeks now. Yeah, that's because my camera fell off my helmet. Well, it never mashed up because I caught it, but I glued my camera on my helmet. I glued the camera on the helmet, and yeah, the adhesive gave way, so everything just dropped off. So I did glue it back on, and it dropped off again. So I did wait for somebody to give me one, what kind of gun it name? One gun. Forgot where gun name. One thing they gun. One glue gun or whatever the name. So me get it glued on and everything. So we should be back in action for some vlogs again. Aha! If I'm recording sound right now, for those who watch my most recent video on the interwebs, where I basically couldn't negotiate the corner and I went overboard like a sailor. I really want to express to the fact that I was wearing my helmet and that actually saved me. I'm going to see if I can record a little clip. Ooh, oh, sheesh. The poor lice! You two lie! The poor lice! Yeah. Look at the dog hopping. Yeah, so what did I was going to say? I was going to say I got to slow down right here. Sexy mama! Don't wheelie on the roads, guys. Don't wheelie on the roads, please. I beg, I beg, I beg. I just feel very good, you know. I just feel very good. Woo, this car is turning right. Look at the indicator. Anyways, we shift left. We pass. We look. Yeah, but I was saying, you know, I have to give my helmet credit, bro, cause sheesh. When I fell, my head bumped. My head hit the ground, like literally bump on the ground. You know? If it weren't for my helmet, it would have been terrible. Way, way, way terrible, bro. I could have been knocked out, sent to the hospital, you know, all that jazz, bro. So guys, it's very important to wear your helmet. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Kick, kick. I don't got a kick like you, man. I got a perf perf or a perf perf. Yeah. Woohoo, woohoo. I want some mangoes. Anybody that lives around this side, I need some mangoes. Know y'all got a lot of mangoes on y'all's tree. I need mangoes. Yeah, need a lot of mangoes, man. Are you guys even seeing the bike? Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Don't you dare you know, I got one of these. I didn't get two. I got one, which is good enough. So let's not argue about it. Yeah, feel like riding around and going places. This is I'm gonna go up here. I got nothing to do, man. I'm just riding around, nigga. into uncharted territory. Here we come. By the way, guys, don't do this. You know, don't ride where you don't know. People will find you. This is Meadowbrook, and they will kill you. Yeah. So yeah, I want to say thanks to my helmet. You know, my helmet did a pretty good job of taking the hit. This look like a dead end. Is it a dead end? I don't know. It looked like it's a right turn. Do we turn right? Or we turn left? I don't know where to go. I will turn right. Yeah. Just riding around in people's community, man. Yeah. Like a boss. The road is very bad here. Why is the road so bad? This is what bike life does to you, man. It takes you places, bro. And guess where we come out? Oh my god, there's a big ass dog up there, man. We come out around here. Yes, we come out around here and we wait. We wait on the vehicles, because this looks like a really nice spot to wheelie. My god, everybody's taking so long. Go BW! Get him! Get him! Oh my god, I want to wheelie so bad. Come on, everybody, go. Everybody, let's go. We can get there. Vámonos, 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 muchachos. Vámonos, muchachos. There is a traffic going on up here. Why is there a traffic going on? I don't need a traffic right here, man. What is going on, guys? Is there what is there? Is there a police blockade or something? What is going on? Random, man. Y'all just sitting here in y'all's four wheels while I just pass in my two wheels. Two wheels rules, man. Two wheels rules. Alright, this car right up here. That was one of my co-workers. I did not even notice. Two wheels rule. Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic. I'm just going through the traffic. Acting silly and shit. Nobody moves. That sounds weird. Nobody moves. Still sound like I said a weird thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go home early today because I need to get a trim. I haven't had a shave in a while, guys. Maybe a month. Oh my god, I look like a scarecrow right now, man. I'm being very serious. I look like a scarecrow. Come on, man, take the hit. Let's go. Go Kiko. Mr. Police Officer, what are you doing? Oh my god, taxi boy, this is what I'm talking about. This is what the taxis do in Jamaica. Yeah. And last week a taxi was basically forwarding in the lane like this, and it almost hit somebody's vehicle because the person was going through and I was following them, and then they just stopped suddenly, you know. And the thing is, once you hit somebody in their back, no matter what's going on ahead, you're always gonna be in the wrong, man. That's just how it is, bro. That's just how we roll. We know what it is, what it is. Man, I just ate me some crackers, and that is sweet. Go ahead, Gramps. I'm gonna let you go through. Taxi boy, don't do it. Boy flex with him bend up foot. Flex can't hide at all, brother. That's just how we roll. You know what it is? What it is? How we roll. I'm just gonna sneak in like this. Sneak attack. My nigga, I'm just scrolling through. Gonna go through a couple places here, man. Yeah. Yo, y'all ever get okay. Y'all ever get tricked like you see this nice fine thing and look, you know, y'all kill y'all broke your neck. Ooh, like that, something like that. I think this is where I should take the turn. This is where I should turn, right? Yeah. Well, this is one of the spots. I want to do a wheelie! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! That was terrible! What the frick? Bro, that was a terrible wheelie, bro. Just riding through people's community, man, like shit. I've been up here before, but I forgot to turn. Bro, I'm gonna take this way, man. Screw that shit. Man, screw that. I went for the wheelie and I pulled the wrong gear, man. Shit, I feel like a dick. I feel like a non-professional, bro. Yeah. I feel like a non-professional, bro. Look at that shit. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god, girl, you got all the assets. Yo, me so like, yo, me not like, me so like, so like what little, what do you, I don't even know what to say, man. This here is called Red Hills Road. Yes, this here is Red Hills Road, where you got all the moms at, man. All the moms. And we turn right here, right here. And we turn right here to go up, straight up on the road. Yabba-dabba-doo. Can we do a wheelie? Yeah, we like to do wheelies. We like to do a wheelies. Wheelies are love. Yeah. I think around here so it come out. Yeah, the road when we just take, I think that's where it comes up. Yeah, I'm just moving around doing wheelies and shit on the road, man. So this is where all them girls at, bruv. All the girls with the stiff boobsies. I told y'all this. Woo, you see that one? I told y'all this is where all them girls at, bruv. I know what them girls, I know what them one them girls, I know what them other girls, I know what them one them girls like. I know what you want, girl. I know what them girls, I know what them girls, I know. Yeah, so we just going up the road, man. Yeah. Lots and lots of police up in this area, man. Mr. Police. Slimmers. My God. Slimmers. Slimmers with them flippers. I got the options. I'll show you many options. Hey, oh, my boy, hey, don't move. Mighty God. Ooh. These Jamaican guys. They're just making me crazy. You're just making me crazy. Okay, so over there, this whole community over there, they call it cassava piece. Oh my God, look at this rider. He's cutting through the line. Yeah. So they call this a cassava piece. This is where the Movado hails from. If you know who Movado is, you know. We could go through there, but I'm not really familiar. When I'm going through here, I gotta go with my crew, man. Gotta go with the bosses. You understand what I'm saying? Don't just go through by ourselves, man, because ain't nobody know us, bruv. Ain't nobody knows us. Hi. What you looking at me for? I ain't got no gun. So over there we got Constant Spring. We got Constant Spring Primary and Junior High. There does a lot of shit over there, over the school. I see a Catty B over there. She doesn't look too bad in her short skirts. Shit. Because we got a line of traffic, we just cut through. Honda Fit, you can fit, go! You're driving a Honda Fit, bro. And you can fit anywhere. That's what your name is. That's what your name is. Honda Fit. Honda Fit. That's what your name is. Honda Fit. The boss is back. The boss is back. The boss is back. I like this. This is you. This is better, bro. The boss is back with the machine. Yeah. That's my nigga right there, man. Hold up, is that Cut the Line? Are they still in action? I think they changed their name. From Cut the Line to what? To Delivery Express or something like that. This is Constant Spring Road. And this is where there's a lot of traffic here in the evenings because persons are leaving work. Yes, people are leaving work and everybody is going home. So this is Constant Spring Road. It was redid in the 1980s. I'm just kidding, man. This road was redid like maybe 5 years ago or something like that. Nobody moves. So hold up. I've seen that girl today. Where did I see her? At the bank. Yeah. Find me a superhero. So over there on the left you have Cassava Piece, where I told you I will not ride through. That's the exit or the entrance. Over here to the right you got the bus stop. There is a lot of people waiting on bus over there to go where they want to go. Yes. So we stay in the left lane because we are going up in the hills of St. Andrew. Guys, will you believe it? I'm not listening to any music. That's why I'm talking to myself so much. I'm not listening to any music. I'm just cruising my Jeep. 535, my nigga. You know, sometimes, you know, shit, bro, it's like you feel less confident. You don't feel confident in yourself, you know? And you know, after you shave, you say, yeah! You can get a two catty beer now. And that's what I'm saying, man. Yeah. I'm gonna take this road because I wanna do wheelies. Alright, looks like them boys are ahead, man. Them boys be up here, man, nigga. Somewhere. I ain't stopping for them boys though. Well, I don't know if them boys are really there. But my nigga was giving me the context clues. The context clues. Where could them boys be? They could be around the corner up there. Them boys could be anywhere, man. It's month end. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna kind of end the video right here. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of end it right here, man. Cause y'all are used to seeing all this every day, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is me running around and blabbering and shit. You know? Yeah. Ride safe. Wear y'all's helmet. Don't let me have to say it twice, man. Wear your freaking helmet, dudes. We'll save your life, man. We'll save your life. You heard it from the man, the myth, the legend. Paradise Biker. Your least favorite motor blogger. Your least favorite Jamaican motor blogger. I got that shit from Brian 636. Yeah. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. You know, stay safe, you know. Stay safe.